Hello sir, in this video I'll be discuss one of the most essential security measures in data communication, the encryption and decryption. To demonstrate this, I'll be using the website DevGlan Online Text Encryption and Decryption Tool. The purpose of the website is to provide users with simple and accessible way to encrypt and decrypt text using different cryptographic algorithms. It supports widely used encryption methods such as AES, DES, triple DES, and RSA. This tool is especially useful for learning how encryption works, testing encryption keys, demonstrating how plain text is converted into unreadable text, understanding how secure data exchange happens between systems. In other words, the website acts as an interactive tool for exploring how cryptography protects information. Now, let's walk through how the website functions. When you visit the tool, you will see text box drop-down menus that allows you to choose an encryption algorithm. For example, let's select AES encryption. Okay. We input the text in the text box labeled plain text. You can type the message you want to protect. For example, confidential meeting at 2 p.m. Enter a secret key. The tool requires a secret key. This key will be needed later for decryption. AES typically requires a 16 negative, 24 negative, or 32 negative character key. Choose encryption mode and padding. This can be an optional. You can select CBC, ACB, or CFB. Each mode affects how the encryption algorithm processes blocks of data. Now, let's click encrypt. The website instantly converts your readable message into ciphertext, a long string of random-looking characters. These encrypted strings is what will be sent over a network. Now, decryption process. To decrypt, you simply take the ciphertext, paste into the ciphertext field, enter the same key, and select decrypt. The tool will return the original message. Through this simulation, the website helps users see exactly how data is transformed before after encryption. Now, effects of encryption on data communication. Encryption has several important effects on data communication. First, ensures data confidentiality. When data is encrypted, it becomes unreadable to anyone who intercepts it. Even a hacker captures the message, they cannot understand it without the secret key. Second, maintain data integrity. Encrypted data is harder to tamper with. If someone tries to modify the ciphertext, the decryption process will fail or produce gibberish. Third, improve secure communication. Encryption protects sensitive information such as password, business message, banking data, and personal information during transmission. This is essential when communicating over the internet where threats are common. And number 4, increase trust reliability. Organizations rely on encryption to build trust with users. Secure system lead to safe online transactions, private chats, and confidential data exchange. 6. Slight impact on speed. Because encryption requires processing power, it can add a small delay in communication, but the security benefits far outweigh this drawback. In summary, the DivGlan encryption and decryption websites demonstrates how encryption transfers data from readable text into protected ciphertext and back again. Understanding how this works is crucial for appreciating how modern data communication systems stay secure. Thank you for listening, sir. I hope that you understand my presentation tonight about the role of encryption in protecting digital communication.